Yo, what's up, people? We're here today with our favorite Luke Ike. Luke Ike.
Man.
Ike.
So I got a package here. There's a note. Shipping department, Braille skateboarding. Order number 114544641-5271411. Cool. So basically what I did is I went on Amazon and I did a search for bearings, and I wanted to find the best reviewed bearings I could find.
Those were the ones?
Reds. I've been buying these for a long time. You can get them in a skate shop for 20 bucks.
It's like the best deal, right?
Yeah.
That's what we're going after.
And
I mean, they're a great deal. They're actually good bearings. These were the best reviewed in terms of like the most reviewed. They had thousands of, like at least 1,000 reviews, and the average I think was 4.5 stars.
Should we bungee it? Test them out?
We can bungee it, yeah.
Bungee it, see how far we can ollie.
So anyway, we are going to do a review of these for you guys to tell you what we think. So far, you can already tell that we like them. Let's hear Luke's current bearings.
Oh yeah.
What happened there?
Well, I was skating in the rain, and this is what happens.
See, noted, kids. You
That one's not bad.
in the rain because that's
What did she
what's
do?
going to happen.
What kind of bearings are they?
I think they're red bearings.
All right, well, any bearings are going to get rusted when you go
Yeah,
through the
don't
rain.
ever skate in the rain, okay? That's the #1 rule in skateboarding. Don't skate in the rain.
So we're going to put some brand new reds in Luke's board, and we're going to see how they skate. We can do a before skating and after skating. Okay, so guys, we're going to start with a before skating. This is BR, before reds.
To the bungee. Well, I think he's gonna start, and it's not gonna make it up the hill. That's my prediction.
You really think?
I mean, hopefully I don't fly into the wall like the Braille Army video I had last time done, but just I'll let you know the difference, right? That could be a lot faster.
But it's still pretty fast.
It could be a lot faster.
I guess my prediction was a little off.
Yeah, they're not that bad, Luck.
I want to go faster.
Well, we're going to do one more test on the mini ramp just to see how these puppies hold. These are the waterlogged, crappy bearings that Luke Ike brought to the Braille house.
All right, so this is the drop-in test. I'm gonna start here. I'm not gonna pump or move my legs at all, and see if I could get to the other side. Not bad. They could be better though.
Okay, let's do it on the 4-foot. Let's see how long it takes you to lose your speed altogether. Get these pieces of crap out of there and get the new ones in. Need help, Luke?
Luke is not strong enough.
There you go.
Look how Luke had struggled with it.
That's because you have superhuman strength.
If I was at Zoomies, I would definitely hire Carlos to set up my board.
And I would not set up your board.
Ew.
Yeah.
Alright, so I just want to show you guys the difference between the old and the new.
See this? This is what old is. When dirt basically mixes up with the oil and it doesn't spin as often.
You see
That's
that
an
rust?
even better example.
Oh yeah, wow.
That's the difference between old and new bearings. Obviously, this one's way worse. That's a rusted bearing. This one has a little bit of life in it. But look, you can't even hear it though. Look at that. It's like the Prius of bearings, dude. That is not good. What the heck did you do?
So you can clearly see the new ones are much, much, much better.
Hold on. I see what's wrong. Alright guys, so when you tighten up your bearings to the wheel, don't do it too tight because right now we're having a little bit of shield blockage. See right there? See? Now it's going to spin.
The red thing was on the metal.
So basically, you had rusty bearings plus too tight. So Luke doesn't know anything about skateboards.
I mean, it's
True.
skateboarding itself, it's like a mechanic, it takes a while. To do things right, you're going to have to fail a few times putting your board together, so it's not a big deal.
That's why we have Carlos.
Now it's spinning, see? That's how you fix stuff right there.
Wait, do you guys hear that? Exactly.
We gotta test the same thing, though. All right, let's see. I dropped in and barely got up last time. Definitely feels faster, by far. Way better. I think the bungee will really test how good it is.
Let's bunge it out.
Okay, test number 2. So we're gonna do a comparison on the ollies. I'm gonna pull back the exact same distance. Hopefully I don't die.
He gonna die. My prediction is he's gonna fly out and hit that wall.
Let's see.
Oh, you'll see.
Oh, thank God this ramp was here, dude. Faster. I'm pretty sure I landed farther.
You could definitely feel it though. The old bearings, like you could tell, couldn't you tell when you're riding? It's like,
These videos, when it's like the best reviewed, it's like I'm excited because I know it's gonna be like, last one was independent trucks, which is my favorite trucks ever. Now it's like bearings that I would automatically ride, so. That is fun.
Lance said he wants you to ollie over him.
This is not good.
You gonna
This is
die.
not
You
good.
gonna
If he
die.
messes up, I'm dead. Are you sure about this?
He said he's not sure.
Carlos, come on.
Wow.
He did it.
Dude, if you watch that slow-mo, you'll see me speed wobbling like right before I ollie, and I couldn't hesitate because he's a skate god. I can't kill the skate god. You can't kill a god in general, so.
All right, what do we do now? Whole
Dance
part game is
party.
Skizate. Personally, I put my money on Luke.
You did, boy.
Never usually does that. You're really in for it.
How about me and Troy versus Carlos?
Ooh,
Get a
team
turn.
team versus one? Yeah, that's fair.
Oh, it looks like
I like the suspense on this.
Okay, Carlos first.
I can't take myself serious in this thing. You know, it's funny because I was like bagging on Troy the whole time he was wearing this, but it is nice and warm, so I regret saying anything to him.
That's my boy, Luke.
Team Leroy, it's Luke and Troy.
Uh-oh, Troy.
It was the bearings, you know? Too fast. Slipped out. That's my partner.
Guys, I think we need to regroup. Disband the team, call off the game of skate, go home.
Hot chocolate?
Yes!
I'm really hungry right now.
Yeah!
We
ain't out of
warming
this
up.
yet.
We just warming up.
That's right.
Taps. 1, 2.
Take a cough drop, Troy. Take a cough drop. Gotta get that Ricola. Troy is not getting buck at all.
Dude, my body is like a bean right now.
Get buck, Troy.
I don't know if I can do this. No, I can do this.
Oh boy.
Come on, you guys. You got this. Come on.
Carlos actually taught me this trick. Redo. We're not getting out this.
But there's no reason for a redo. It's Troy's turn. You guys are cheaters.
I like Cheetos. Are you okay?
Feels pretty good.
Just line it. Four wheels.
I think it's fine. We both did it second try. I think it counts. So you can give it to us.
Yeah, if you guys want it, I don't care.
Game sucks. Yeah.
You should go back to your old bearings.
I can't take myself serious in this thing, dude. Like, it's. Ow.
Maybe we'll count it. Troy, Luke, your turn.
I hate this. It's not even like fair.
Luke got that. Dude, everything hurts right now without falling. Just standing here hurts.
You got it, Troy.
You feeling confident? I filmed that perfectly, just for the record.
Yeah!
The downfall of Carlos.
Actually, that scared me right there. I thought I was gonna die right there.
This is the worst video ever.
Well, your turn.
Look at this hole in my pants.
Hey, unmonetized. Thanks, Luke. I guess rebate because Luke is salty.
All right, Troy, here you go.
Man, you got this. I'll get the next one.
No, there's a hole in my pants. I just ripped my pants.
Believe me, it'll work.
I think you get one more try.
Don't film me.
We should have just skated for fun. Troy?
That's my board. I want another try.
You take the letter?
I'm gonna do the same thing. Yeah, I'll take the letter.
All right, well, that was an awesome game. Who won?
I mean, we won in our hearts.
The thing that's cool is that Troy was really pulling for Carlos the whole time.
Oh, yeah.
And he really showed his support.
Me too.
I knew Luke was gonna win.
Let's just sesh it. Come on, Luke, you got it. You just got a haircut. You got it.
Oh, dude, everything hurt.
Ooh, you're lucky I didn't pop that.
First day back to Braille. Going home.
Hey!
Long time no see you. Yeah, how
Ready to tray flip the barrel drop?
Next time, okay?
Next time.
You said that last time. Look, you got the right shoes for it today. All right, we'll give you till next week.
Okay. Yeah, next time. Yeah, next try. Yeah.
Got it. All right, thank you.
All right, good day. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Just for you, Luke. Right? Never tried this before. This is just in my head. I know I can probably do this. Want sex changing? That'd be sick.
Do it. A little persistence video. You look like you're having fun.
I'm doing a persistence video.
You want to drop in? I'll film. Yes, the real skater is here. You might want to watch out the pros here. Oh, maybe take a little more time to drop in.
Let me tell you this right now. Without the board, head first, like fall in, and then slam your front foot down. Okay? You don't want your back hand ever going down. Keep this arm up, okay? Bend your knees, head first, 1, 2, 3. See that right there? That's making sure you lean forward every time.
Yeah, that's shinner.
Do it again, but just keep that back hand up.
Whoa, those bearings are kind of fast, huh?
Okay, let's get this
We can end it
persistence
with
and then we're gonna end it with some rollerblades. All right, so we decided that we're gonna end it there. He tried that. That's for another video. So what are you guys' thoughts on the bearings? Look like some.
Review. Anything bone or bone Swiss reds, just go out and get them. They're definitely one of the top review bearings in skateboarding industry in general. So
Yeah, there's a lot of good bearings out there, but those ones just happen to be the best reviewed ones on Amazon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys should subscribe to our channel. If you want to see any other videos, leave it in the comments below. Thank you again for watching. We will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Peace.
Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.